Car insurance. Daily policies include free breakdown cover, get short-term quote in seconds, few simple questions, insurance on a borrowed car temp, cover on your own car. FCA authorized and regulated. Insure Daily is part of Ramesses Limited, who are authorized and regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority, the FCA. You can view our FCA status on the FCA register, where you will find Insure Daily noted as one of our trading names. We are also members of BIBA, the British Insurance Brokers Association. BIBA Motor Panel member. Forrester describes short-term insurance as a practical solution for the way many drivers now need insurance on an ad hoc basis to match their busy lifestyles. Breakdown cover included for free. To keep our customers safe on the road whilst driving, we have arranged breakdown cover for the period of the policy. This is included at no extra cost for Insure Daily customers. If you break down on the road, CalAssist will be able to attend your vehicle to try and get it started again. Insure Daily is seen on TV. Our lovable Professor Daly is currently enjoying his moment in the spotlight, appearing across many channels throughout the UK. In our new television advert, it's not rocket science. Insure Daily temporary car insurance, made simple. What is temporary car insurance? Temporary car insurance, sometimes referred to as short-term car insurance, is the same as standard car insurance as required by USA law, but the period of coverage is shorter, in this case for 1 day. So rather than having an annual insurance policy, you have one for a day or a couple of days, weeks, or even months. What do I need to get a temporary car insurance quote? The great thing about getting temp cover is that it is a very quick process, and in order to get a quote, we only need you to answer 5 or 6 quick questions about your age, your driving license, your postcode, the vehicle you want insurance on, and the period you require cover for. When would I need short-term car insurance? Short-term cover is a quick insurance solution for when you want to borrow a car from a friend or family member for a few days, or a friend or family member needs to be insured on your car when visiting. When buying a new car, you may need drive-away cover for a day before updating your annual policy, or if you need insurance on your own car to cover a gap in insurance. So whether you want to share the driving on a long trip, need to test drive a new car, or need to borrow your partner's car to get to work, it's quick and easy to get temporary cover with Insure Daily. Do I need to contact the main insurer of the vehicle I'm taking temporary insurance out on? No, you do not need to contact the main insurer. Insure Daily's temporary insurance policies works as a totally separate, independent policy. For example, if your brother has an insurance policy on a car that only covers him, you can take out an Insure Daily policy covering you for the days when you need insurance to drive the car. Any claims that occur when you are driving will be covered under this policy. How old do I have to be to get temporary car insurance? The minimum age we can cover is 18 for full license holders. We can also cover learner drivers with a provisional license from the age of 17. Can I insure a car temporarily? Yes, you can. Insure Daily offers car insurance policies from 1 hour, 1 day, 1 week, and up to 3 months at a time. If my annual policy has expired and I need insurance for a few weeks to sell the car, can Insure Daily cover me? Yes, we can cover that. Temporary insurance is perfect for that scenario when you just need an extra period of cover after your annual policy has expired. Is temporary car insurance expensive? Not really. You can get insurance for a very short period, like a day, from about £13. It does depend a lot on the driver details and the car being insured, but that is a good rough estimate. Insure Daily has 11 short-term insurance products, but that is a good rough estimate. Insure Daily has 11 short-term insurance products and compares the best options and prices for you. What is the shortest time you can insure a car? Our shortest period of cover is 1 hour. What happens if you drive without insurance? You should never drive without insurance in place, regardless of the situation. It is a criminal offense as, per the Road Traffic Act, to drive on the public roads within the USA without insurance. Act to drive on the public roads within the UK without insurance. You can potentially be prosecuted, fined, and/or disqualified from driving. Police officers use ANPR, automatic number plate recognition, and can instantly check if the vehicle is insured or not through the Motor Insurance database. When you can get quick short period cover within minutes from Insure Daily, there is no excuse for driving without insurance. Can I get temporary insurance on a friend's car? Yes, temporary insurance is the perfect solution for arranging to be temporarily covered to drive a friend's car. Whether your friend's car has a main insurance policy covering or not, we can cover both scenarios. Am I covered to drive someone else's car under my own policy? If you have an insurance policy in your own name, some insurers will include the driving other cars extension. You will need to check your certificate of insurance to see. This means you are covered to drive other vehicles on a third-party only basis. This means there is no cover for any actual damage done to the vehicle you are driving. The insurance is just for any third party's damage that you may cause whilst driving that vehicle. It would be wise, though, and highly recommended if you are borrowing a car, to increase that cover level to comprehensive, which will cover the costs to repair any damage to the borrowed vehicle should an accident occur. Please also note, another downside is that the driving other cars extension is usually only covering the main policyholder of the main policy, not the named drivers on the policy. How does temporary car insurance work? You can get a quote for temporary car insurance in seconds, including free breakdown cover. Temporary car insurance gives you the cover you need when you need it and for how long you need it. With Insure Daily, our temporary insurance policies offer cover for cars and vans that are being borrowed from someone else, and temporary policies for vehicles owned by the person taking out the policy. What level of insurance cover do Insure Daily's temporary policies offer? All of our temporary insurance policies except our impound release policies offer fully comprehensive cover. This means that if you are borrowing someone's car, should you have an accident that is your fault, the damage will still be covered under the policy. How many days temporary insurance cover can we have? We offer daily car insurance policies and the flexibility to select your preferred period of cover, so you can have 1 week's cover, 2 weeks cover, a month's cover, and up to 84 days. Insure Daily uses a range of short-term insurance products from various insurance companies, each with their own number of days cover periods. How much does temporary car insurance cost? You will be able to buy a 1-day policy from as little as £14 based on the current rates. A lot of factors still apply to the calculation of the premium, so this amount will vary depending on the individual cover. For 1 week's insurance, prices start from roughly $40 based on the current rates. Does there need to be an annual policy in place? No, you do not need to have an annual policy already in place on the car or van being insured under our standard daily insurance policy. Only for our learner driver insurance policies, where the learner is learning in a borrowed car, is there a requirement that the car being used does need to be already insured.